Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Did you just update your iPhone to iOS 26? Before you start using all the new features, there are a few important settings you should change first. Some of these settings can improve your battery life, increase your privacy, make your iPhone easier to use, and even help you get the most out of the latest iOS 26 features. In this video, I will show you the first 10 settings you should check and change after updating to iOS 26, whether you have the latest iPhone or an older supported model. These tips will help you enjoy a better iPhone experience. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Setting 1. Check Apple Intelligence. Setting 2. Optimize your battery. Setting 3. Customize Control Center. Setting 4. Review privacy and security. Setting 5. Manage notifications. Setting 6. Update camera settings. Setting 7. Review photo settings. Setting 8. Improve Safari privacy. Setting 9. Check background app activity. Setting number 10. Review automatic updates. Let's go through them one by one. At setting number 1, check Apple Intelligence. If your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence, this should be the very first thing you check. Open Settings. Tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. If available, make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. If you are setting it up for the first time, your iPhone may need to download AI models in the background. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and power until the setup is complete. If you do not see this menu, do not worry. Apple Intelligence is only available on supported iPhone models. Setting number 2. Optimize your battery. Next, let us improve your battery life. Go back to Settings. Tap Battery. Review your battery usage to see which apps are consuming the most power after the update. Then tap Charging. Make sure features like optimized battery charging or other available charging optimizations are enabled if your iPhone supports them. These features help reduce battery aging over time and can improve your iPhone's long-term battery health. Setting 3. Customize Control Center. iOS 26 makes Control Center even more customizable. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Touch and hold an empty area to enter editing mode. From here, you can add, remove, or rearrange controls for the features you use most often, such as flashlight, calculator, low power mode, screen recording, or camera. Taking a few minutes to organize Control Center now can save you time every day. Setting number 4. Review privacy and security. Privacy should always be one of the first things you check after a major software update. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Review permissions for location services, microphone, camera, photos, contacts. If you notice an app has access to information it doesn't really need, consider changing the permission to protect your privacy. You should also review the tracking section and decide whether you want apps to request permission before tracking your activity across other apps and websites. Setting number 5. Manage notifications. After updating, some apps may send more notifications than you'd like. Go to Settings, Notifications. Take a moment to review which apps are allowed to send alerts. Turn off notifications for apps that are not important so your lock screen stays clean and less distracting. You can also customize how notifications appear, including banners, sounds, and badges, based on your preferences. Setting number 6. Update your camera settings. Next, let us customize the camera app. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Here are a few settings worth checking. Formats. Choose the format that best fits your needs. High efficiency saves storage, while most compatible works better with older devices. Grid. Turn this on to help you compose better photos using the rule of thirds. Mirror front camera. Enable this if you want your selfies to look the same as they do in the free view. Preserve settings. Turn on the camera settings you want your iPhone to remember, such as your last camera mode, creative controls, exposure adjustments, or live photo preference. This saves time because you won't have to reconfigure the camera app every time you open it. Taking a few minutes to customize these settings can make capturing photos and videos much more convenient. Setting number 7. Check your storage usage. After installing a major iOS update, it is a good idea to check how much storage is being used. Open Settings, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see how your storage is being used by apps, photos, messages, and system data. If your iPhone is running low on space, review the recommendations at the top of the screen. You may see options to offload unused apps, review large attachments, or remove downloads you no longer need. Keeping enough free storage helps your iPhone run more smoothly and leaves room for future updates, photos, and apps. Setting number 8. Improve Safari privacy. Safari includes several built-in privacy features that are worth checking after every major iOS update. Open Settings, tap Apps, then Safari. Review features such as prevent cross-site tracking, hide IP address if available, fraudulent website warning. These settings help reduce online tracking and can make your browsing experience more secure. While you are here, you can also clear your browsing history and website data if you want a fresh start after updating. Setting number 9. Check background app activity. Some apps continue refreshing in the background even when you are not using them. To manage this, open Settings, General, Background App Refresh. You will see a list of installed apps. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need to update constantly, such as games or apps you rarely use. Leaving it enabled only for essential apps can help reduce battery usage and save mobile data without affecting your everyday experience. Setting number 10. Review automatic updates. Finally, make sure your iPhone stays secure and up to date. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Tap Automatic Updates. Here, you can choose whether your iPhone automatically downloads and installs future iOS updates. Keeping automatic updates enabled helps ensure you receive the latest security patches, bug fixes, and new features as soon as they are available. And that's it. For bonus tip, after changing these settings, restart your iPhone. A quick restart helps complete background processes that may still be running after the update and can improve overall performance. If your battery seems to drain faster immediately after updating, do not panic. It is normal for iOS to spend the first day or two indexing files, optimizing photos, and completing background tasks. Battery life usually improves once those processes finish. And for disclaimer section, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your iPhone model, region, language, and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple or any smartphone manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And those are the first 10 settings you should change after updating to iOS 26. These simple adjustments can help improve your battery life, enhance your privacy, organize your iPhone, and ensure you are getting the best possible experience from the latest update. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone tips, Android tutorials, hidden features, and troubleshooting guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.